Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we finished off the month of March and begun the we have finished off the month of February and are starting March this morning. And unfortunately, March is going to come in like a lion as we're looking at a pretty strong storm that will be developing off the coast as we go through the overnight hours tonight and into the day tomorrow. February was a very warm month. We actually broke a record here at Wallops for the warmest month on record. We had temperatures about 8.6 degrees above normal, so a very warm month indeed. And we're unfortunately not going to see that nice, warm, mild condition continue into March, as we'll start off pretty cool with some very strong winds as we go into the day tomorrow. But for today, we'll see pretty nice conditions as far as temperatures go, but we will see the rain showers move through the region, as we'll see area of low pressure begin to advance toward the east coast today. You can see those showers off to our southwest, lined up just north of that frontal boundary. And this system will be progressing toward the east coast as we go through the day today, bringing us those rain showers. And as we go into the evening hours, we're going to see an area of low pressure really start to strengthen off the northeast coast, which will bring us a pretty quick change in our weather overnight tonight. We'll go from pretty mild conditions to and with those light winds to some very strong windy conditions during the overnight hours and throughout the day on Friday. Looking at the radar this morning, you can see the showers lining up just off to our south and west. Eventually, over the course of the next few hours, those rain showers will begin to work their way into the Wallops region. Looking at a start time around the late morning hours today for those rain showers to occur. Currently out there, we've got a few mid-level clouds and an overcast deck of clouds as well at the 20,000 foot level. Those mid-level clouds right around 9,500 feet and 12,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities this morning. Those winds are calm, and we're certainly going to see a change in that as we go over the course of the next 24 hours. Temperature at 52 degrees, humidity at 87%. Taking a look in a little more detail at what we can expect over the course of the next 24 hours, we're going to see those temperatures pretty mild today. Once again, with a high temperature expected at around 56 degrees. Into the evening hours, we'll see those rain showers continuing. Winds pretty gentle out of the southwest at 5 to 10 knots this evening. But as we reach the midnight hour, that area of low pressure will advance off the coast and really start to strengthen quickly. We're going to see southwest winds at around 8 to 13 knots around midnight tonight, and then by around 2 o'clock in the morning, we'll see those winds really start to increase quickly out of the west at 20 to 25 knots, gusting up to 31 knots by the 4 a.m. hour. And then as we go through the day on Friday, those winds will just get stronger with potentially damaging wind gusts during the day on Friday. As you see here, our forecast for Friday, we'll see cooler conditions with the temperature and very strong winds out of the west-northwesterly direction in the morning, switching more northwesterly in the afternoon, gusting as high as 55 to 60 miles per hour throughout the day tomorrow. So definitely something to prepare for if you've got any loose items outside, any kind of lawn furniture or anything that could be blown around by those winds tomorrow. Be sure to bring those inside, as it'll certainly be a windy day indeed for us on Friday. And continuing with those strong winds Friday evening into Saturday, we'll look at wind gusts potentially up to 40 to 45 miles per hour Friday night. So they will die down a bit after the day on Friday, but will remain pretty windy through the weekend as that area of low pressure really is slow to advance off to the east. Fortunately, this system not looking like the big threat for flooding that they will see off to our north up in New England. Certainly the coastal sections of Massachusetts will see some pretty severe flooding from this event. We are looking at just some minor flooding possibilities for this event. Those northwesterly winds will certainly help us keep those flood concerns at a minimal for this storm, as we see just some minor flooding potential in the low-lying areas Friday night through the day on Saturday. That'll wrap it up for the short-term weather briefing this morning. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.